Good morning. Today we will talk about the tragedy of 2017 in Mexico. The high school newsletter number 2 is composed of Milton Janes Castle, William Axel Castle Towers, Devani Silva, and me, his servant, Jose Emilio Peña. The Puebla earthquake of 2017 occurred at 1 local time on Tuesday, September 19. Of that year, it had a magnitude of 7.1. Its epicenter was located 12 km southeast of Ayotzinapa, Morelos, according to the special report of National Seismology Service of Mexico. The Geological Service of the United States located the epicenter 1 km from San Felipe Yutla, Puebla. The earthquake occurred just 12 days after the earthquake in Chiapas. Fin.
The press profusely highlighted the coincidence in the date of the earthquake with the earthquake that occurred in 1985, which also happened on September 19. However, apart from the date, there is no greater relationships between them since the 1985 earthquake had its epicenter under the surface of the country, where the subduction process executes a different type of extensive efforts between the Caucasus plates and the North American plates. Specifically, this type of movement is known as the interplace earthquake.
This tremor left a lot of damage in the states of the center of the country, to which some independent firms have estimated the losses between us 4 and us 8,000 million. The alert was activated until 11 seconds after the earthquake, beginning when the waves reached the city, which did not allow a complete evacuation.
Summary of the tecton could be granted. And the quake in global terms, the work was deliberately close the deep contact zone between the Cox plate and the North American plates.